It's time to cook with Susan Beck. Well, I just finished making this plate of wonderful crunchy chicken strips, and my favorite way to serve these chicken strips is with a honey mustard. Now, I don't really like to buy honey mustard. We don't use it that often, and it's so easy to make at home. So I am going to, into my container, put 1/4 cup of mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. My family prefers Miracle Whip. Either one would work. This handy dandy measuring cup, I just simply slide it to the proper measurement and sticky things just pop right out. I will put a link about this down below, as well as the recipe for the chicken strips. Okay, another 1/4 cup, but this time of honey. So a 1/4 cup of honey into that measuring cup, filling it all the way to the top. And then I will pop that out as well. Take your spatula and just run it across, and you just don't waste any of it like you would if you were using a regular measuring spoon. And now we're going to change that to a 1/3 cup. The 1/3 cup is the Dijon mustard. You could use any kind of mustard you want, but I personally prefer the Dijon mustard. And into my measuring cup that goes. And isn't this, oops, just awesome how it just pops right out. Lastly, into our bowl that has those 3 sticky substances, we won't use that measuring cup, is either a tablespoon of white vinegar, or I prefer a tablespoon of lemon juice, but we want something acidic to go into there. And all we have to do is stir these together, and we have created for ourselves a honey mustard. Mostly honey mustard and mayo, little bit of lemon juice. So I want that well incorporated. I can smell the mustard and the lemon there, and we'll be able to taste the sweetness of the honey. So here goes. Let's take one of those little chicken strips and give it a dip. Yum, yum, yum. As good as any honey mustard you can buy. In fact, I think it's a lot better. It's got just that nice tang with the touch of honey for some sweetness. That's my favorite dipping sauce for chicken strips.